What's up you guys, welcome to another Python tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to create a function that will take a traffic map and will also take the water level and check if certain points of that traffic map are floated or not based on the water level. So guys, when I say a traffic map, I actually mean a two-dimensional list. And what a two-dimensional list is basically a list within another list. So let's go ahead first and create a two-dimensional list. So let's call it tmap, and that stands for a traffic map, and a list within a list. And let's go ahead and pass it in like 5 different numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7, comma, and let's go ahead and copy that. Boom, boom. 3 lists. Whoa. 3 lists within a list. Let me organize my code real quick. Alright, here you go. So what we have so far is 3 lists within our main list. Okay, so let's change the numbers real quick just to make it a little different. Let's put, let's see, 3 here. Let's put 5 here. Let's put 7 here. That's good enough. Alright, so what we have right now is a two-dimensional list, a list within a list. So let's go ahead and create our function because we're going to loop through each element and it's going to be fantastic. So define, let's call it map. I don't know why, but why not? Map is the name of our function, and what we want to pass it in as the first argument is the traffic map. So t underscore map. And that stands for traffic map. Traffic map. What's wrong with you, Mo? Can't you talk today? This is me talking to myself again. All right. So traffic map, and the second argument is the water level. All right, good. So we have a function that will take traffic map and will also take the water level. Great. So now we want to loop through each list within that traffic map. So now we have 1, 2, 3 lists. So we can say for I in range 0, you guys know what range does because I've explained it in previous tutorials, but I'm going to explain it one more time so you guys can get it. All right. So what this line of code will basically do is this. It's going to say, okay, for I in range this. What is this range? The first time it loops, I is going to equal 0. The second time it loops, I is going to equal 1. Because it's going to start at 0 and it's going to end at the length of the traffic map. And the length of the traffic map is 3. So it's going to start 0, 1, 2, and stop. So yeah, this is exactly what it's going to do. 0, 1, 2, and stop. So this line of code will be executed 3 times. So, and then we also want to loop through each element of that traffic of each list. We want to loop through each element of that list so we can check if they're floated or not, if they're still alive or not. So let's do that. For j in what is it? Tmap. That's what we're checking. And make sure that you put square brackets I. And I'm going to explain to you exactly what this does. So this line of code right here will loop through each element of the list. And you're saying, okay, Mo, how does it do that? So you just created a for loop that will loop through that will check how many elements, how many lists are there. So the first time this loop get executed, I will equal 0. And it's going to say this, and it's going to go to the next line. And it's going to say for j in t of 0, because I is going to equal 0, so j is going to equal I for the first time, and then the second time it loops is going to equal 3, the third time it loops is going to equal 5, the fifth time, and so on and so on and so on. So you guys got the idea. You guys, let me just show you what it does. So if J is greater or equal, greater or equal, thank you, to the water level, print W. And this will represent the points that are floated. So if we put water level as 1, 1 will be floated, but 3 won't be floated, you know, greater or equal to J. You guys are going to see what it does. Just type along with me. Print dot and yeah, right here, and put print here, and make sure that it's lined up with your for loop. So if it's floated, put W. If it's not floated, put dot. And if you guys wondering what end does, end basically says don't go to the next line, make sure that all these are lined up nice and beautiful. And guys, I will explain to you what this print statement right here does. So just let me just call the function real quick and give it a call. Give it a call, give it a call, give it a call. Boom, boom. All right, so the first argument is tmap, which is this one right here, tmap, and the second argument is the water level. So what we want the water level to be, let's choose 3. Why not 3? So if we run this code, boom, here you go, man. How about we give it some space? Run it again. Nice. All right, so let's see. The water level is 3. So 1 is floated, 3 is floated, but 5 is not floated because 5 is greater than 3. 6 is not floated, 7 is not floated, and it works for each case that you put in. So if you had like 1,000 list here, it will work the same way. So this is your quick tutorial on how to create a function that will take a traffic map and will also take a water level and check if certain points are floated or not. Guys, for this print statement right here, if you just took it off and run that code real quick, you see how it, like what it did? It messed up my print statement and it doesn't look as beautiful as it was. So just put your print statement back, and that will make sure that it print nice and beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.